Let's look at a beginner level drop. Happy Buddha drop with a Buddha roll. Lift one leg up, place the pinky toe edge of the foot into the fabric, heel close to the body, then reach the hands up high to the ceiling. Pull up with your hands, press down with your foot, bring both feet together, the toes point down to the floor, and slowly lower your hips towards your heels. One arm comes through, followed by the second arm. And if you don't want to drop, you can stay here. Interlace the fingers behind your head. You won't fall forward or fall backwards. Or you can play with your hands. When you're ready to do the drop, reach the arms out wide to the side. The feet stay together, knees remain wide. Lean forward and fall. Tuck in your head as you fall. Place the hands on the ground to stop the swing. To come up, grab onto the fabric, bring the knees together, pull with your hands, roll yourself all the way up. Buddha roll. To come out, hands up, lift, straighten the legs, and step your feet out.